To update an order on the donation exchange powered by CREF, after it has been fulfilled, step 1 is to update the status. After you are logged in, go to the Orders module and scroll down to locate the order you would like to update. In the Order Status column, select the drop-down menu and update the status to Delivered. This also may be listed as shipped or dispatched. If you wish to receive donation credit for the order's shipping expense, this is the time to add that information. This needs to be done before the order is updated to completed by the CREF team. In the Actions column, select the menu and Manage Order Details. First step is to select I do intend to upload a shipping receipt. Next, we will enter the shipping charges. And last, we'll upload a shipping receipt. Note that backup documentation is required when shipping charges are listed. Finally, select Update Shipping Information. You'll get a notification in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen that this was successful. You will also see the shipping charges update here in the bottom total. The last step that is required is to sign an in-kind donation form. In your Orders module, you'll see that the CREF admin has updated the order status to awaiting DocuSign for donor, such as you see here. When you do, you'll know that the DocuSign has been requested. This will be sent to you via email from DocuSign. Please sign the in-kind form at your first opportunity. This will ensure the transaction moves through the system and you are appropriately credited for your donation.